We need a lot of community development workers. If we want this world a better place, very important na ma-organize talaga ang community. Kasi ito yung magiging vehicle nila, actualize themselves. Commerce accounting talaga ako, kaya lang, all my life, my work is on community organizing. It was 1990 when I was hired in Provincial Aquamarine as a community development officer. I was assigned in north of Negros Occidental, working with the marginalized fisher folks. First in my plan is to do environmental scanning, to assess our communities in 3 cities, anong level of organization na meron sila. I found out na there's really an association, really in name, in thinking. There's no substance. Leaders does not know the responsibilities. Leaders does not understand what a constitution and bylaws is. The seminar, the series of sessions, it's really an evocative approach. We designed it that we will just have guide questions. They will answer, and then from their answers, we will formulate the bylaws so that they will have that sense of ownership in their constitution and bylaws. Informal settlement. Physically, ang mga bahay ay congested, maliliit, marumi. When they came to us for help, may conditions kami. They have to undergo a seminar. They have to have a savings. They will agree to reblock their communities. Our 4th condition is kailangan nila magbayanihan. Gagawin yung reblocking through a bayanihan. We're encouraging them to address the problem collectively. And 5th, this is a family commitment. After the reblocking, from an 18 inches na road, 3 meters na. They're all happy, they're all proud. Wow, nakaya natin. That sense of pride. Sa Macao, nakita ko. Sabi ko, Lord, pwede pala. Ito pala yung sinasabi mo. Once people would realize, it's a better community for them to live. Kailangan din bigyan ng equal recognition, importance ng content para ma-realize natin yung mga dream communities natin na may concern for each other, nagtutulungan. They mirror a Christian community. Kung marami tayong mga ganyang klaseng communities na magagawa, masabi natin, wow, our world is really a better place to live.